Assalamualaikum viewers. In this video I am going to show you how to import any library in PyCharm. In this video I am going to import CV2 library. For that, open the terminal and click pip install OpenCV #python. Now select this and copy this and paste it in the terminal as given and press enter. Now the downloading started. Wait until the downloading completed and installation will also complete it automatically. I have skipped the video to make it fast. Wait until the complete installation of OpenCV library. Now OpenCV has completely installed in the PyCharm. Now to verify, go to the Python interpreter and check here it is the library of OpenCV. Now type import CV2. Now the PyCharm is not giving any error, hence installation completed. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and share with friends.